Good afternoon, my honorable teacher. Good afternoon, my friends. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rikita Ranti from Information Engineering 3901. Today, I want to talk about digital book. I choose this topic because some of them even knows what digital book really is. To start the discussion, I will describe what is digital book and the benefit of ebook and disadvantage of ebook. Yeah, there are three parts. First, the meaning of ebook. Second, advantage of ebook, and third, disadvantage of ebook. Thanks. Definition of digital book. Nowadays, many colleges are using digital book than ordinary books. Electronic book also works, and ebook or digital book is a book in digital form. Ebook is one of transformation technology from ordinary book. Yeah, this is the story of ebook. The first ebook might have been the index logistic was prepared by Roberto Busa in the late 1940s. In 1992, Sony launched the Data Discman, an electronic book reader that could read ebooks that were stored on CDs. And in the 1990s, the general availability of the internet made transferring electronic files much easier, including ebooks. And then ebook can be used on many gadgets such as handphone, laptop, iPad, iPhone, and then PC or personal computer. Next. The function of ebook. The function of ebook is to share some material with classmates or students around the world. Ebook has many advantages such as simple, flexible, easy to bring, easy to access everywhere and every time, everlasting and environmental friendly, and no trees are required to manufacture paper for the page of ebook. What are disadvantages of ebook? Disadvantage of ebook is ebook aren't good for our eyes, and you will feel tired after you look at the screen for a long time. Ebook needs device and special program to open, and people cannot get the special feeling that they can feel when they read the next. Yeah, this is the graphics of Indonesian ebook reader. As you can see at the graphic is start to year 2010 has 20%, and 2011 have 40% of reader, and 2012 has 50% reader, and 2014 has 70% readers, and 2016 have 80% of reader ebook. As you can see on the graphic, the reader of ebook in Indonesia keep increasing year by year. Next. Yeah. In conclusion, ebook is a simple book with many benefits such as flexible, access everywhere and everytime, everlasting, and environmental friendly. This is the video from my presentation.
It's impossible.
I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for hearing my presentation.